Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Heavy class in Battlefront 2. The Heavy is a formidable frontline trooper, designed to absorb damage and dish out sustained firepower. You'll be the backbone of your team, holding key positions and pushing objectives. Mastering the Heavy involves understanding your powerful weapons and strategic use of your unique abilities, like the combat shield and sentry. Let's dive into the specifics of becoming an unstoppable force on the battlefield. The Heavy class boasts an impressive arsenal and crucial abilities. Your primary weapons, such as the TL-50, offer high rates of fire for close to medium-range engagements, while the DC-15 provides solid damage and accuracy. The sentry ability transforms you into a mobile turret, laying down devastating fire. Use your combat shield to absorb incoming blaster fire and clear out clustered enemies with a well-placed impact grenade. Each ability is vital for controlling the flow of battle. Star cards are essential for customizing your Heavy trooper to suit your preferred playstyle. For increased survivability, consider improved combat shield, which boosts your shield's durability, or bodyguard, which reduces explosive damage. If you prefer an aggressive, mobile approach, Mobile Sentry allows you to move while firing your sentry weapon. Resourceful is another excellent choice, reducing cooldowns on all your abilities by up to 28%, letting you use them more frequently. Effective Heavy play involves smart positioning and teamwork. Always stick with your squad, providing suppressive fire and acting as a shield for your teammates. Use your combat shield to lead pushes onto objectives or to safely revive allies under fire. When defending, deploy your sentry in strategic choke points to halt enemy advances. Remember to prioritize high-value targets like enemy vehicles and heroes, as your Heavy blasters are excellent for taking them down. Your role is to be the immovable object on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.